So, we're back at it with the Hardbody's engine again. But before we do the video on it, I'd just like to do a fan mail unboxing. First fan mail ever. And it comes from Scott from Virginia. And he drew a picture of my Hardbody on there. Not bad. And thanks again. Keep posting. I would show you the other side, but it's covered by the shipping label, and it has both of our addresses on there, so I'm just going to keep that a secret. So, let's unbox this right now. See what it is. You got me a chrome mirror. Brand new. That's actually really cool. You can actually see yourself. You can see the camera. That's awesome. Thanks, Scott, for the mirror. I'm probably going to have to buy another chrome one for the other side, but we'll see what happens. Thank you for the gift, and I hope you enjoy the prize that you won for my giveaway. So enjoy the rest of the video, and that's about it. So, we are ready to put some of the stuff back on the engine, the intake manifold, exhausts, everything on the pulley system. And as you guys already know, this is not the stock intake manifold on a Hardbody. This is an S13 intake manifold. Alright? So, my friend gave me a good deal on it, but there were some things that I had to take care of. One of the things is he told me to check to see if it's leaking anywhere, like a vacuum leak, so it doesn't run like shit. On top of that, I decided to spend the extra $80+ and get the stock injectors cleaned out. And on top of that, taking them out, I cracked a lot of the caps and the O-rings are all bad. So I took it to a place called South Bay Injectors, and they cleaned them out for me, and he changed out all the O-rings and the plastic cap, which almost all of them were cracked. It was nice of him to do that as well. So all 4 of them are clean, and he gave me the chart about the condition of them before and after. So you guys could just pause the video and see what it looks like. But yeah, thanks to South Bay Injectors for cleaning out my injectors and changing out all the O-rings and the caps. So we need to install those, a couple other things, and like I said, check to see if there's a vacuum leak, possibly anywhere. And then we can pull this on and all the other stuff. So let's get to it. Light in there, yep. The other side. It's pretty clean. Now we're gonna scrape off the gasket with the razor. I can find one. That sounds good. It's got a satisfying sound. This is the technique that Jason taught me. You let that dry and then you pull it off like you saw in before, and you don't have to like poke a screwdriver in there. Pro tip from Jason himself. Glide across the intake. That. Not bad. Everything's on there. I think we can start focusing on the other stuff. So yeah, one thing is I was gonna try to run the intake manifold without using RTV because we have a perfectly good gasket. The problem that we have is looks like it was previously gouged and nicked up in a couple of certain areas. So my fear is that it's not gonna properly seal. I'm just gonna have a big vacuum leak. Now for an NA car, you can kind of live with that, but if you have a boosted car and you have a vacuum leak, you're asking to blow a motor. Just so I don't have to take this whole shit apart again and do this twice, I'm just gonna say screw it and RTV it. Because my experience with race cars, I hate doing things twice. Alright, so I didn't get to do an outro video on this segment because of, I thought that the video wasn't going to be as long, so I could continue doing other videos and putting it into it. So, an outro never was filmed, so this is going to be the outro. Hopefully, that kind of gave someone an idea on what goes on when you want to run an S13 intake manifold on a hardbody single cam KA. There's more stuff that I need to do to the intake manifold before I can say that it's done. So we'll do that video and a couple of other videos to help you guys out. Any tips and tricks on restoring stuff. So I hope this helps somebody. Thanks for watching. It's what day is it? It's March 30th, so I'm hoping everyone's still doing very well through these hard times with the whole thing that's been going on right now. I'd just like to say, stay strong, keep a positive mindset on everything, and please wash your hands. That's all I gotta say. Good luck, guys. See you next time.